Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can convert TRX to USDT on MEXC. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you're using the correct website. And now that you're here, you will just have to log in with your correct credentials. And after logging in, you should see the trade section here or the trade tab. So what you will have to do is basically just click the trade option, and then you will look for convert, and then after that you will select TRX as the coin that you want to convert. Then you will select USDT as the coin that you want to receive, and then enter the amount of TRX that you would want to convert, and then you will just have to review the exchange rate and fees, and then you will just have to click preview, then confirm. Your TRX will be instantly converted to USDT, which will appear in your wallet. And by the way, you should always double check amounts and coin selection before converting. And your MEXC converts feature is fast and secure. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.